On February 3rd, a devastating train derailment shook the city of East Palestine, Ohio. The initial crash lasted just seconds, the resulting fire burned for days, and the ongoing harm to the area is still unclear. Despite government officials maintaining that the area is safe, residents are experiencing many adverse effects. CNN reported that the train operated by Norfolk Southern was carrying a toxic chemical called vinyl chloride, which is highly flammable and known to increase the risk of cancer. In order to clean up the spill, on February 5th, officials evacuated the surrounding areas and conducted a controlled burn of the chemicals, which filled the sky with a cloud of black smoke. On February 8th, air and water samples indicated that the area was safe. The order was lifted and residents began returning to their homes. Many of these people were reluctant to return, but were forced to do so for financial reasons. By February 10th, many residents reported that within a half hour of returning, they developed rashes, nausea, and felt like their eyes were burning. On February 15th, a town meeting was held where officials from Norfolk Southern were said that they were going to attend but never showed up. At the meeting, residents expressed concern for their health, anger for the response, and distrust in the reports from the officials managing the situation. On February 21st, the state government opened up a health clinic to treat residents whose health concerns now grew to include respiratory problems. Despite formal reports indicating that the air and drinking water were safe, more and more people were reporting similar issues, and according to reports from CBS, over 40,000 dead fish had washed ashore from as far as 5 miles away from the incident. This was much further than initially reported as the danger zone. On February 27th, a data analysis performed by scientists from Texas A&M and Carnegie Mellon universities reported that 9 of the chemicals that the EPA had been testing for were higher than what normally would be found in East Palestine. To this day, there is controversy over the response from Norfolk Southern and the Ohio government. Much of the contaminated soil and water has yet to be removed, and many residents are still experiencing health concerns that they feel are related to the incident. Norfolk Southern has promised to pay for these damages, the cleanup, and offered $1,000 to residents who were displaced, but the long-term effects from the event have yet to be seen, and many feel that a much more serious response to address these concerns is deserved.